Well, folks, I made it through the night. Finally stopped raining. It got pretty chilly, so I ended up bundling up in all my clothes, long sleeves and stuff. But we made it through the night. It's morning now. Windy, chilly. Man, I didn't bring that blanket, and now I'm kind of wishing I did. But hopefully the rest of the nights aren't cold. I'm going to cast out some worms, see if I can't get some bait. Maybe chuck a lure here and there. Well, I'm going to make some breakfast and some coffee. At least the water's down. Hopefully it'll go down more today, and I can camp in that next spot pretty easily without having to worry about water being in my campsite. Well, my drum that I had on a stringer all night got his throat chewed out, it looks like, by a turtle. That's lovely. Maybe I'll throw some cut bait out just cause. But first, let me get the water boiling. Oh, got the oatmeal soaking. Got some coffee made. I'm gonna throw a worm out. First cast of the day. If I could get me some bluegills or some perch or something good to stick in my bait bucket over here, that would be sweet. Take that with me to the next spot. Brought me some maple syrup. Throw a little bit of that in the boring old oatmeal. Not too shabby. I'll stick a little chunk of drum on this big old 8/0 circle hook. Chuck that out there. Maybe we'll get a pleasant surprise before I take off. I'm gonna go deep. It'd be nice to get a bite on one of the poles this morning. Alright, now it's time to get serious about this packing thing. Alright. Time to do the dishes. Sand works as really good scrubber. Probably set these out to dry in the wind a little bit before I leave. I'd say turtle. Look at that. That was a turtle. Fun. I love turtles. Not. Got a fish on the worm I just chucked out. Put it closer to shore this time. And that new circle hook hooked up. And of course it's a drum. Well, safe to say Mr. Turtle definitely came back. Wow. That is very deep out there. I can see that turtle out there right now swimming. Go away, stupid turtle. Go away. Probably can't see him on the camera because he's a ways out there, but go away, stupid turtle. He's still on top of the water, but he's headed in the direction of my fresh drum I just flung out there. How irritating can you be? Like, come on, man. Well, got camp packed up. It's almost noon, actually. It always takes way longer than I think it's gonna. And that's besides the fact that I was fishing. But I'm on the water. With how late it is, I don't know how much casting I'm gonna do along the river. It's really windy. It's not gonna be enjoyable casting a lot out here, so I really want some big catfish, or a bunch of catfish with a big catfish. So yeah, I'd rather just get to the spot and start trying to catch some bait. So that's what I'm gonna do. That sign on that bar says, "Welcome River Rats. Great food and cocktails." Great food sounds really good right now. And they welcome river rats. So that's pretty cool. It's always nice to know you're welcome. I'm just paddling down to where, Michael, paddling down to where he says the fish are. In town here, so it's his town, I'm gonna listen to him. As soon as I get on the water, the wind picks up. As soon as I get off, it'll stop probably. Yeah, I'll bring that blue rope to that far one by your pole, and then I'll tie the other end of my kayak to this side.
There you go.
Sweet, now I don't have to take it out of the water. I could totally go for a walleye or bass dinner tonight at the campsite. You got a bite? It was way over there, but he was snagged up here. Well, folks, my seat folded down. I caught a fish, but it's small enough for bait, but it is not legal for bait. But it's a fish. Got a fish. Please don't be a bass. Looks like a bass. If it's that small, I don't want. Oh no, it's just a drum. Hey, I can save that for bait at least. That's better than not having bait. That's probably like my last choice, but I've caught catfish on drum. That's why you set your drag loose enough. There's probably another drum. Oh, don't go underneath. No. Boy, this fish is pulling. This might not be a drum. Oh, whoa. No, it ain't. It's a big bass. That's dinner. Yeah, I got me some fried dinner. I think he's legal. Oh, that's gotta be legal. No, don't go under there.
What's the legal limit in 14?
I think it's the state limit, but 14, ain't it? Yeah, turn it. Ooh, it's about 14.
It's
about 14 and a half.
Yeah.
Heck yeah.
Just about legal.
Yep, that's dinner for me. Oh wow, it helps to hit record when you want to record a video. So there you go, folks. Even though I just said this already, now I hit, yep, we're recording. 14 and a half inch bass on worm.
That was a bite.
Was it?
Yeah.
Dude, that'd be sweet if you got a fish. Well, I'm gonna have me some fried bass for dinner tonight at my camping spot.
They're right there along the edge right there.
Thanks to Michael for showing me where the fish are. I never would have stopped here otherwise. It'd be nice if I got one more. I have 2 bass to eat tonight. Either way, I got some rice that I can cook up with it. But I'm gonna put it in the exact same spot. I'm not even fishing off the bottom, I don't think. I'm just putting it straight down until it hits the bottom, and then I reel it up. Instantly, as soon as I dropped it right there.
See?
Whoa! What is that?
You have a net?
Oh, I got a sucker. I'll just bring him over here. That was like so quick.
You want me to grab them?
See, I think I can get him up and around these guys. Hey, that's a really good spot to land fish, huh?
Thanks you
Okay, as soon as you stop, I'll let you go. But you have to stop. That was quick. Like I dropped it in the water and all of a sudden my line started going out to sea.
Yeah, worms are really good over here.
It'd be nice if the bluegill were that quick biting right now. No, dude, this thing's probably been on my line for like the last 5 minutes. It's just sitting there. It wasn't even going. I was reeling in. I didn't even know I had a fish.
You gonna let him go too?
Yeah.
I don't even think those are good for catfish bait.
Actually, I've caught catfish and big sturgeon on them. Oh man, thanks for coming and hanging out.
Yeah. Have a nice night.
Yeah. Catch you later. My drum got off. Well, that sucks. I guess I don't have bait. All right. Here we are.